Hi, this is Christine Blackfeather, and I thought I would show you the leather journal I just finished. This is not a full-on junk journal, which take a lot longer, and so the cost is a lot less than what a junk journal would be. But I thought I would show you the details on what I had done on this one. This green here is just an organza ribbon with roses that I really like that I just used to bind the whole thing together. It's stretchy. I don't know if it was initially a product that people used for garter belts or who knows what, but I've had it for years. It's just really pretty ribbon. I like it. So this is Suede. I do believe it is pig suede because it's thicker. Lamb would be a lot thinner than this. And there's different appliques and stuff glued and stitched on here. The gold flecks are actually embossed into the suede. And then there's several layers of lace. And this was a harder ribbon to get through, so I busted a couple of needles. The binding, I had sewed ribbon on here, and you can see the threads that go through from putting the signatures through. I kind of like that rough look, so that's why I do it like this. It's just my style. Some people might not like it. All the applique are not only glued, but they're sewn on so that it doesn't come apart. I hate when things come apart. And then I did more rough stitching along the two sides, the front and the back here. I just to give it a little contrast. And I kind of like it. I like how this rougher lace, this harder stuff along the top frames it. Can't find my rack for my phone, by the way. So I'm doing this all with one hand. Suede makes for a softer journal, and I kind of like it this way, and I deliberately did this cover oversized. This is metal here, again, as glued and sewn into place. Everything is done that way. Sorry, my throat's super dry. This is lined with a fleece. I have more of this that I'm probably going to be using to line masks. I left some threads just loose but glued down. I like the look of the loose threads there. There's various pockets, just odds and ends. This is all stitched onto the paper, which is stitched through the lace and through to the other side. So there's stuff in the pocket here. Just a random mishmash of things on that pocket. This cover I really love. These are scrapbookings cardstocks, and I really like how they came out combined together. Just random things. Again, this is a fabric applique that I glued in here because I thought it was funky and cute. This is for a teenager, by the way, so she'll be able to use this thing for years, I hope. Family's kind of musical, so that's why I have that paper in there. And then a bunch of resume linen papers, which are 100% cotton. That'll stay for many, many years. This kid does not draw, I guess. But she does a lot of writing, so this is good paper for that. Extra little cardstock in here. Blank pages. Pages full of different things in here that I like to put together. I love this pocket so much. This is the coolest thing to me. And I threw some stickers in here for her, but look at that. That is just, I love it, love it, love it, love it. This, I think was supposed to be, it is a Christmas ornament, but it was supposed to be something you cut out and sewed together and make a little pillow or whatever. I don't know. It's vintage. I don't know what year, but I have a bunch of these, and I just glued the whole thing on, guidelines and everything. I thought it was kind of fun. Handmade papers. I don't remember if it was Indonesia, but they're in here. A few for whatever she decides to use them for. A couple old vintage pictures out of frames that I got at a yard sale. I thought they were really cool. And then this is another thing that came out of that fabric pack that I glued in here and then sewed the pocket, or glued the pocket over top. This pocket didn't get sewn in place. I'll put those back in. The bookmark is the same flower ribbon that I had on the pink book. And then this is a shell. There's more organza ribbons in kind of a knot, kind of just doing this weird pom-pom type thing there. A Hello Kitty thing off of a Easter egg thing, and an applique glued onto that page. Pretty paper there. It came like this. There's another pocket here that I stuck a postcard in. This postcard has not been used, but it's very, very old. This actually was from the pink book, and I couldn't get it to fit, so I never used it. 4 different colors of pages. I used rainbow colored waxed cotton thread for sewing leather. I do not like this thread. I had a lot of trouble with it. Of course, I had a couple times where I had trouble with the needle. But yeah, that even if I hadn't used it, it was split coming off the spool. It just kind of really made me mad. There's another pocket right here for whatever. I had a pack of papers off of eBay that was really cool. There's a couple envelopes and note cards. Well, no envelopes in this, just the note cards. And they're in there pretty tight because I had to glue the whole thing down. But they've got flowers embedded into the paper. This card here, I glued extra organza ribbon on here. This card is blank. This is for her mom to write a message to her. And sending smiles and hugs your way. Little cardboard fairy there. I colored this in with colored pencil right here just because I wanted the contrast on the page. No other reason. And here is the last page. It's kind of funky. And there's pieces out of a tiny children's book here. Pirate story. Just something fun. You're never too old for children's books. And then I found this paper, and this just made me laugh. But then I added the Pringles can guy on there too. It was fun. And then, of course, we have the cat with a little mirror here. That's fabric. And then some of the lace I had cut when I was cutting the lace for this. This lace is really soft and rough and worn, and I just think it adds really nicely to the book. So there you go. That is my latest project I almost didn't get this done before Christmas because I had gotten so sick. But I did get it done. I'm very happy. And off to the next project. So you guys take care. Have a great day. Blessed be everyone.